Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a work from home job paying up to $77,000 per year. That includes a Kindle and free laptop. With it, it's at a company called Buffered. And you can go to buffer.com. This is a company that is a software application for the web and for mobile that helps you kind of put all your social media platforms in one place and automate your posting on those platforms. So it's really good for businesses and people trying to automate their marketing. So if you go to their jobs page, which is a journey.buffer.com, this is where you can find all about the company, what's like to work for them. So as far as their benefits, they have some of the best benefits I've seen of any company that hires for work from home jobs. So they have competitive salaries. They even tell you about the range of how much they'll pay next to each job, which is nice. You get to work remotely pretty much worldwide wherever you want. You have health insurance, home office setup, which is a free laptop plus $500 to set up your home office. You have extra money for learning and personal development minimum. Vacation of 3 weeks a year, 401k with 3% company match, profit sharing, family leave, retreats, working smarter stipend for co-working, free books and Kindle for educating yourself, of course, and sabbaticals every 5 years. So what you're looking for is the customer advocate. With the customer advocate, this is a job that you can get if you're in the right time zone, of course, but if it basically allows you to get paid to do customer support for this company. So you're doing email, live chat and social media, as you can see right here, email, live chat, social media. So literally it's a non-phone customer support type job. I know a lot of you are looking for stuff like that. You will help people with the Buffer platform and help them achieve their goals. With that platform, it's literally just customer support. So you'll communicate with the team over different channels like email and Slack, and then you're helping the actual customers via email, live chat and social media support. So prior customer support experience is required. They don't say exactly how many years they're looking for, but preferably it would be with a software as a service product, which is what they are, a software as a service. And they want you to have strong communication skills. Of course, being organized, being able to multitask, a lot of that stuff is basic that you'll see with pretty much any job like this. Perks and benefits, I already kind of went over this with you, but the difference is they tell you under competitive salary for this particular job, $46,000 to $77,000 for this job. So very high paying, especially for a customer support job. Most of the time you won't make that with most companies, but as far as they work from home customer support job, you don't have to be on the phone and you get paid more than usual and you get a lot of free stuff plus additional benefits. And you can work completely from home worldwide. So I mean, it's one of the best places to get one of those types of jobs. So you can apply now. At the bottom there, definitely pounce on this as quickly as possible, because this type of job is so sought after that it will go very quickly once more people find out, which this video will help that happen. So other than that, you can read reviews from people who have worked for Buffer at glassdoor.com. They have a few reviews. They're a fairly new company still, they're not even 10 years old yet, but Glassdoor, they have some reviews with a 4.5 out of 5 star rating. So very highly rated from its employees. And it'll give you an idea of what it's like to work there on a day-to-day. So other than that, hopefully this was helpful. And I'll see you in the next video.